Hi everyone, welcome back to the music studio, conveniently located here in North Vancouver at 122nd, 122 East 14th Street, just a block east of Lonsdale and a block west of the hospital. So we're on 14th Street between Lonsdale and the hospital, right in the heart of the North Shore, right here in north of Vancouver. At the music studio, we have things like music lessons, of course. We record singer-songwriters, and we have music therapy. We have a great music therapist here on staff. And what else do we have? A little bit of hypnotherapy. My office is here, and if you don't know yet, I'm a fairly popular hypnotist. And there's, I'm just looking at the board over there. We have tons of workshops and classes. And today, I'm starting a little new series for everyone who's just starting out on their instruments. And it's all presented, of course, by the SunnySide.net. And for those who don't know, I'm your host and guide, Sonny. Pleased to meet you. And if you have any questions of any kind, just leave a message in the message box below, or feel free to send me an email, or feel free to just come on by the music studio here in North Vancouver and say hello. I absolutely love when everyone here loves when people drop by and say hello. Alright, so that's it. Enough of that. Today, I'm going to show everyone the first lessons on a clarinet, and this one in particular is how to put a clarinet together. So, first things first, we're going to need a clarinet. Good thing we're in a music studio. Here you go. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you guys. Oh my goodness. I remember when I first started my first clarinet lessons with Pat way at Humber. Oh my goodness. They were so funny. Alright, well you'd think I'd edit a little better than this, but here we go. Here's my wall at the music studio. Let's get a little, loosen up the camera stuff. And out. Come on, camera. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, Sonny's got a bunch of computers. Alright, so this is how it works. I remember. So, here we go. You'll need a clarinet. Then, we'll just open this up. And inside your case, hopefully it's not too much of a mess. How's this looking, Sonny? Alright, we're going to have a bunch of stuff inside this case. Alright, so inside your clarinet case, let's get rid of all these reeds. I remember when my clarinet, when I was studying with Pat at Humber, oh my goodness, he pulls out his clarinet. He had this little piece of paper that was a diagram that said how everything went together. It was so funny. But anyways, this is how we do it. It shouldn't take very long to put your clarinet together. First thing we do is we take the big piece. Alright, there are two major pieces in the body of the clarinet. There's a big one and one that's a little smaller. Can you see the difference? There you go. So we take the big piece and we take the bell and we just screw them together. Push them together like that. Sometimes you'll need a little bit of cork grease. I'm digging through my case. I'm not seeing any cork grease here, but it's alright. Then we put that to the side and we put the top half of the clarinet together. We grab the barrel and we grab the mouthpiece, and they go together like that. Is that too weird? Am I doing this sideways? They go together like that. Then we put it on the top part, right? The top of the body. The barrel goes on the top of the body, comme ça. And it lines up like that. The mouthpiece, the opening on the mouthpiece should come straight down to the first key on the back, which is actually the thumb key. Do 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 do. And just line it up. Next, we take the big part and goes on the bottom. You see, your thumb rest is right there. Then we take the top, and we just squeeze them together. Now the important thing to remember is that part right there. The top of the clarinet goes on top of the bottom part of the clarinet. See, there you go. And that key is responsible for closing those keys. Can you see it? Close, 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 close. That's how you get your high B flat and low E flat for some of the fingerings. And that's it. When it's all said and done, that's how we put together a clarinet. We'll talk about the reed in the next video. Oh yeah, you know there's coffee at the music studio. I'm going out and out and out, and that's it. Whoops, man. And that's how you put together your clarinet. We haven't put the reed on yet. That's next lesson. It's a tough one. Do 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 do. All right, everyone. That's how you put together your clarinet. From the SunnySide.net, recording live from the music studio, 122 East 14th Street by Lonsdale in North Vancouver. I'm Sonny, wishing everyone an absolute wonderful week. And I'll see you soon. So, just a recap, that's how you put your clarinet together. The next video is going to be on how to put the reed on the clarinet. I hope everyone's having an absolutely fantastic week, and I'll see you soon.